the spectrum is a very precious resource, right? So its allocation is a very difficult job, right? So you can see the complications that are being involved in the frequency allocation, that is actually the spectrum allocation, right? So it's a very precious resource if you use the spectrum effectively and efficiently, right? So the countries which are doing that, they are making a big money, right? And then spectrum bandwidth, right, is so here we have the different bandwidths involved in different spectra, right?